Thank you for joining new webinar. Okay, we can start. Today I will talk about powerful Fronius Verto Plus and flat roof kit for all Verto series inverters. I hope you hear me well, and if you have any questions, please write it in question section, and after presentation I will try to answer to it. Okay, so presenter of this webinar, it's me, Andrews, and I'm a technical advisor of the Baltic countries. Here below you can find my phone number and email address, so later you can contact with me directly. Okay, today I will tell about Verto Plus hybrid system, how unique Fronius Verto Plus is, installation and commissioning service, and of course Verto Plus flat roof mounting kit. Okay, so Verto is it's Verto Plus. It's a hybrid inverter, 15 to 33 kilowatt power. It's dedicated for small commercial sites, farms, or apartment buildings, hotels, and similar applications. Where Gen 24 Plus is not enough, because probably you know Gen 24 is 3 to 12 kilowatt power inverter. Okay, so Verto Plus is has a 3 MPPT with 2 strings per MPPT. Of course, MC4 connectors, and for battery connection, we installed MC4 EvoStore connector. Also, Verto Plus has a integrated SPD. SPDs for DC type 1+2 and for AC type 2. Of course, Verto Plus has full backup and yeah, some more nice features I will tell you a little bit later. Technical data. Yeah, you can overload from DC side up to 150%. So if you have 20 kilowatts power inverter, you can install 30 kilowatt of PV modules. Yeah, battery input output 50 amps, and then backup max up to 60 amps. Integrated SPDs, so you don't need additional installation near the inverter. Everything is inside. If SPD is triggered, you will get a message that something happened, and you can check. Maybe it's you should to change AC or DC side one of SPD. Yeah, and you don't need regular check SPDs. It's triggered or not. Okay, of course, and Verto Plus has EFCI. So with EFCI, you will get more safety for your PV installation. EFCI is checking arcs, and if EFCI will detect some arcs, it will inform you that you should check your, for example, PV models or DC lines. Another thing, like our standard Verto or Gen 24 inverters, Verto Plus has asymmetric generation, so Verto Plus can produce asymmetrically per phase different power by your needs of your home. Active cooling, Verto Plus has two fans and backside and two fans inside of inverter. Okay, hybrid power. Yep. You can use Verto Plus, of course, with batteries. You can choose Reserva or BOED batteries. Both are compatible. Yeah, you can charge or discharge batteries up to 50 amps. So if you have Reserva battery, you can charge it up to charge or discharge up to 16.4 kilowatt power. If you have BYD, depends of how many of towers you have, you can charge in different power. And HVS, of course, in lower power. Yes, what else? Battery inputs. So inverter has MC Evo Store connector. You can't mix standard MC4 with MC4 Evo Store because it not match very good, and you can some arcs could appear. Okay, power backup power boost up to 50 kilowatts. Kilowatt hours AC peak power. So yeah, you can just quite in high power you can charge your batteries. Here's one of example. For example, you have electric engine at your I don't know, warehouse, and you need additional power during start of this engine. So, for example, if from PV module size you have 25 kilowatt, but you need 45 kilowatt power for your engine to start it. So for short time, you can get extra power from batteries, and so yep, you can get more power from inverter. Another thing what you can do with Verto Plus, it's at the same time you can use AC power in full capacity and additionally charge your batteries. For example, if you have 39 kilowatt from PV side, but your inverter is 30 kilowatt power, so for a long time you can use for all 30 kilowatt, but yeah, from PV side you have additional 9 kilowatt. These 9 kilowatt could be go to batteries. So if you have, for example, 20 kilowatts inverter, you can charge your battery additionally with 10 kilowatts power. Okay. Of course, if you have batteries, you need switching between grids and then inverter. Your inverter should know when you are disconnected from the grid. You can choose manual switch or automatic. So you can choose which one you want to use. Okay, about data communication. About data security, we take care about data security. We are keep all data in servers in Austria or in European clouds. We have certification that we are safe for. We are using your data in safe way. Of course, and then customer data and system data we are storing separately. So if somebody will store customer data, you still have save your system data or in our side. Yes, Verto Plus has a pilot communication board. It has two LAN ports, but only first is you can use. Second is just for internal use, maybe for a future. And here is not written, but with Verto Plus, new pilot comes with additional RG45 connector here for battery. So you can just insert cable from battery, from reservoir, for example, or you can use Modbus channels to connect your battery. Yes, here is LED, Modbus, WSD, wiring shutdown function, and digital inputs and outputs, and antenna for Wi-Fi. Okay, what else? You can use Verto Plus together in one system and manage distribution power to grid up to 20 kilowatts in one system with just one smart meter. Okay, installation and communication. Installation is quite easy. Just drill and screw a backplate, hang inverter, connect cables, and screw front covers. You don't need to use a cordless screwdriver because it's quick lock screws, so you need just simple screwdriver. What else? What we have here, quite big area, large area to connect cables, AC, communication, grounding. MC4 is from the bottom, so you don't need to do wiring inside of inverter. Wiring, so here is communication and internet communication cables. There is, as I mentioned, MC4 connectors, battery connectors, grounding, and for AC communication. For AC, sorry, contacts. There is some numbers. It depends of AC cable diameter and what strength you should screw each of wire. Yes, here is, as I mentioned before, new pilot comes with additional RJ45 plug, so you can just simply connect and can just ignore this one and just connect this plug. Yes, and here is how to connect, for example, battery or smart meter. About smart meter, here is more in detail. It depends on which smart meter you have. Here is some wiring, how to connect with Modbus Modbus plug. And here's for Fronius Reserva, how to connect, how to use each wire. Also, you can use digital inputs outputs for digital outputs and 6 digital inputs. Yes. Tells if you have a smart meter IP. Here's wiring with smart meter IP. You can connect smart meter via LAN or Wi-Fi, so you don't need to do wiring with, directly with inverter, or you can use standard Modbus communication directly with inverter. Just small thing, but if you use smart meter IP, you should use current transformer with 333 millivolts output. So please don't use a standard current transformer. That's a little bit different. But of course, you can find these current transformers at most of electrical distributors. Commissioning is easy, like Gen 24 or standard Verto. Just press middle button. It opens Wi-Fi access points, connects directly or via LAN, and enter Solar Start app or via browser. I would like to recommend to use Solar Start app. It's quite easy, step by step. You will find what you should to do and how to do commissioning of Verto Plus. Okay, service and warranty. Service concept that you can change only pilot or whole inverter, and yeah, so just simple service concept. If most of problems we can detect remotely, and if something happened, we can say that yeah, you should change pilot or you need to do inverter exchange. After pilot or inverter exchange, you should do licensing. Yeah, it's quite standard procedure like Gen 24. About Fronius warranty, because Fronius Verto is bigger than 12.5 kilowatt power. It's from 15 kilowatt and then bigger inverter. You can choose which warranty you want to use. All inverters comes with 2 years warranty, full warranty from Fronius Warranty Plus. And when you are doing registration of inverter, you can choose. You can add additional 5 years, but additional 5 years will be in standard, not full warranty. Standard warranty means that Fronius cover parts or inverter, but for transportation or exchange process, and customers should to pay extra. If you are doing the registration 2 years plus free, in total 5 years, we are giving you 5 years warranty plus. So if we are covering inverter parts, transportation, and we are giving some amount of money for installer for them for exchange for their job. Yes, and Fronius Verto flat roof mounting kit. That's new accessory for some applications when you don't have a wall. So if you want to install on the ground, so you can use this case. Yeah, it's safer in some north countries where there are more snow. So it's in this installation case, you can use to protect your inverter and for off snow loads. So it's and then yeah, good solution. 10-degree and its inclination. Yeah, and it's good for PV planners. So and when they are planning, they can choose additional this case, and they can plan how all installation will look. Also, this case you can use for flat roof or for wall. When you are installing for on the wall, this case you shouldn't use this one part. So inverter will be installed 90 degrees like wall, but you will have a case for protection. And here is dimensions, how it looks, how big it is, a little bit 1 meter in length, and yeah, not so big. Yes, and if you need more information, you can find on fronius.com. You can find more webinars and trainings, on-site trainings, online trainings, webinars, and of course you can visit our how-to videos on Fronius YouTube channel. Fronius Verto is actually, it's already in sale, but not in all of countries. In Baltic countries, start of sales will be in October, because we are still waiting for one of certificate, EN 50549. Without the certificates, we can't. Actually, you can't install and start produce energy to grid. Yes, because it's important certificate for Baltic countries. Okay, about questions, I don't see any questions at this moment. Okay, so if you will have some questions, just you can contact with me and I will try to help you. Thank you for attention, and see you next time in other webinars. Thank you and have a nice day.